Avalanche Price Prediction 2025. Hey there guys, and welcome back to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about cryptocurrencies. Quickly, before we start, we have to tell you that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your research. And with that being said, let's jump into the video now. In this episode, I will discuss Avalanche coin dwelling on its price prediction until 2025. Are you familiar with the coin? Recent higher lows on the AVAX chart indicate that Avalanche price will rise for the remainder of the year, which is positive. In the Avalanche ecosystem, AVAX is the native token, and it is now trading at $84, according to CoinMarketCap. It has dropped roughly 42% since reaching an all-time high of $144 in November 2021. When compared to the prices of most other L1 platforms, the AVAX pricing seems to be far more attractive. What exactly is Avalanche Crypto? Avalanche is a Layer 1 innovative contract platform with a significant increase in network usage since its launch in early 2021. The network uses a customized version of the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, and its design is distinct from that of Ethereum. The Avalanche network is comprised of 3 blockchains, which are referred to as the exchange, X change, the platform P chain, and the contract C chain, respectively. All tokens on the Avalanche ecosystem are issued on the X chain, a DAG-based blockchain that runs on top of the Ethereum blockchain. It has the capability of processing up to 4,500 transactions per second. The P chain is used to stake AVAX crypto tokens for the sake of network security. It is a typical EVM-compatible blockchain with a throughput of 1,500 transactions per second and 1,500 transactions per second. The C chain is the default chain for generating intelligent contracts compatible with the Ethereum blockchain. The transaction pace on the C chain is 1,500 transactions per second. Before we look at the price estimate for Avalanche, let's have a look at the project's history and development, the founder, and the history of the project. Avalanche was founded in 2018 by Emin Gun Surer, a Cornell professor and computer scientist who previously worked together. It was developed by AVALabs, a for-profit corporation based in the United States. The project's development is also overseen by the Avalanche Foundation, a nonprofit organization. The project collected around $60 million via a series of token sales in 2019 and 2020, respectively. In September 2021, Avalanche raised $230 million in a private deal involving several top cryptocurrency venture capital firms. Avalanche, AVAX, Avalanche Awareness and Partnerships. The primary goal of the Avalanche community is not merely to guide the community along the road of progress. The Avalanche community is ecstatic with the project's successes and widespread participation, particularly since the launch of the Denali testnet. It demonstrated the effectiveness of Avalanche consensus and lightweight design, which allows for more egalitarian participation rather than the need for costly hardware. Because it is listed on prestigious cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase and Binance, AVAX provides its traders with a secure and reputable platform that allows for lower costs and a wide variety of digital assets to select from, among other benefits. Avalanche has also entered into agreements with several ecosystems, including Chainlink, Biolira, and others, allowing it to take its aggressive technology endeavors to the next level. The primary goal of partnerships is to establish a global humanitarian community that will contribute to creating a more egalitarian, sustainable, and decentralized society. The most recent avalanche of news. The price of AVAX cryptocurrency is currently trading at $84. DeFi Llama demonstrates that it is rising once again when it comes to television, after dropping nearly 30% in January 2022. The platform currently has a total lock value of $10.87 billion, the highest ever recorded. It is still 20% lower than the all-time high value of $13.7 billion, reached in November 2021. Users are most active on Trader Joe's and Pangolin Exchange, according to DApp Radar, which tracks user activity across the platform. Both of these dApps are decentralized exchanges, and their success on Avalanche demonstrates that DeFi is thriving because of the increase in network activity and the rise in TVL. The price prediction for Avalanche for this year appears to be quite bullish. Roadmap for Avalanche Preparedness. Even though Avalanche cryptocurrency first went live in September 2020, it is still in the early stages of development. Pruning is one of the few significant anniversaries that the founder has personally mentioned during this period. Avalanche's blockchain is expected to shrink in size due to this update, which was initially scheduled for release in 2021. The inclusion of a good wallet is yet another feature lacking in Avalanche. The official wallet that is currently in use is a web-based wallet. As previously stated, it is unsuitable for interacting with dApps running on the network C-chain. As a result, the roadmap includes the introduction of mobile wallets and the development of a browser plugin. Price prediction for Avalanche in the year 2022. When I write this, the Avalanche AVAX coin price is at $84 right now. It has dropped more than 40% from its all-time high of $144. If you look at most of the charts for other cryptocurrencies, they show that prices are going down. AVAX's price hasn't gone below its October 2021 lows. These bulls now have enough confidence to go even higher. This higher low has given them the confidence to go even higher. A simple pitchfork analysis that connects the high of February to the low of July gives us an ascending channel. This is what we see when we look at the graph. Short term, we think that if AVAX price comes back to around $111 to $114, then our conservative Avalanche price prediction for 2022 will be $200. 1.618 fib level is also a good match. This is also where the high and low points of November 2020 and January 2022 were. The price estimate is also in the middle of the pitchfork, where the price is most likely to be. If the price of Bitcoin hits an all-time high in 2022, AVAX can also hit $250. However, if the price makes any lows below $52.95, it can go into a steep downtrend, which means that all of your predictions are out the window. Guys, once more, we are not financial advisors. If you find the coin interesting, we advise that you do your extensive research before deciding to invest in it. Avalanche price predictions for the year 2023. With the establishment of a fast and dependable network, Avalanche is focused on improving the overall user experience of the product. These elements can propel the AVAX currency to a far higher price of $190 per coin in the future. According to our AVAX price projection, if the need for functioning cryptocurrency persists through 2023, the price may potentially see a paradigm shift. Avalanche price predictions for the year 2024. Given historical data and technical analysis, there are many different scenarios for the future of the Avalanche coin. Here are a few examples. Assumptions are made about the potential for the AVAX price to reach $220 in line with the price estimate. The security and scalability aspects of Avalanche Wallet, in particular, contribute to this outcome. The engaging promotional activities may take care of the rest, allowing the investors to reap the benefits of their efforts. Avalanche price predictions for the year 2025. With the market capitalization of $21 billion, AVAX is the ninth most valuable cryptocurrency globally. With the market capitalization of more than $335 billion, Ethereum is the most valuable innovative contract platform. Binance Smart Chain, the second most crucial intelligent contract platform, has a market capitalization of $67 billion. The possibility of being the second largest L1 by 2025 is real if Avalanche continues to develop at its current rate, quicker than Binance Smart Chain. According to the evidence, $393 seems to be a reasonable Avalanche price projection for 2025 in this scenario. 3.618 fib extension level of the recent pullback from November 2021 highs is also reached at this point in the retracement. others believe that Avalanche Coin will get more involved in community efforts soon and leave digital traces on the web. If they maintain their current speed, they might reach a future price level of $230 if they amass a significant market capitalization and volume, as well as an industry that focuses on education, outreach, and innovation. The Avalanche price predictions for the year reveal that the expected minimum Avalanche crypto price will be $210, and the expected maximum Avalanche crypto price will be $270. Is Avalanche a suitably secure investment? It is now bullish because the AVAX coin price has not made any lower lows on the weekly chart. The prognosis may change if the stock breaks through the $50 support level. If a risk is appropriately managed, however, before one can answer the question, is Avalanche a good investment, one needs to do their investigation. As a result, you are encouraged to obtain further prudent financial advice before investing in this cryptocurrency. Okay, guys, if you have enjoyed today's video, then please be sure to leave us a big like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We will see you all on our next video. And until then, thank you so much for watching.